Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a fantastic day today and are excited to learn something new. Okay, so today we are going to work on blending. My name is Miss Caitlin and I'm excited to walk you through this process here. So, let's start with this letter. This letter makes the sound ah. We're going to say that again. This letter makes the sound ah. Say it with me one more time. Ah. Great. Okay. Moving on. Let's see what this letter sounds like. This letter sounds like T. Again. T. How about you try to say it with me? T. Good. So now, what if we blend these letters together? So we have ah. Ah. T. Ah. So we're going to put them together to make one word. At. So we got ah, t, at. Awesome. Now that we got a feel for it, we're going to try with 3 sounds this time. So to start, we got s, s, ah. Ah, t, s, ah, t. Together, sat. Awesome. All right. Next we have p, p, ah, ah, t, t, p, ah. Blend them together now. We have pat. Perfect. Next we have t, ah, p, t, ah, p. Awesome. Say it with me. T, ah, p. Together, they blend to tap. Great. You guys are doing awesome. Let's keep going. Let's try a couple bit more. We have s, ah, p, s, ah, p, s, ah, p. Blend them together. We have sap. Awesome. Let's do another one. Again, we have s, I, p. So we're switching the middle sound there. So say it with me. S, I, p. Great. Try to move your finger as we say the letters. S, I, p. Blend them together and it makes sip. Great. Now we have the next one. P, ah, p, p, ah, p. Move your finger with the letters. P, ah, p. Together it makes pop. Good. And again, we have p, ah, t, p, ah, t. Move your finger with the letters. P, ah, t. Together it blends to pot. Good. Congratulations, you have finished practicing blending. I hope you had so much fun with this lesson, and I hope you can continue practicing. You can do this on your own time, anytime you'd like, but I want to say thank you so much for coming. You did an amazing job. Keep up the great work. Thank you. Bye-bye now.